GPU versus CPU inference. GPU versus CPU inference is the choice between running a trained AI model on a graphics processor built for massive parallel work or on a general-purpose central processor optimized for sequential tasks. Think of it as deciding which engine executes the same model computations when you ask it for predictions. A simple way to picture it: a GPU is like a factory with thousands of small workers doing tiny steps in parallel, while a CPU is like a smaller team of expert workers handling fewer, more complex tasks in sequence. For big neural networks, especially those used in deep learning, this parallel factory lets GPUs chew through many matrix operations at once, while CPUs handle them more like a careful assembly line. In practice, serving a large transformer model for many users usually runs inference on GPUs to maximize throughput and keep latency low, while smaller models or low-traffic CPU-only environments may run the same inference on CPUs. This is similar to how vector databases or embedding services often rely on GPUs for heavy batch workloads, while CPUs handle lighter, latency-sensitive control logic around them. Concepts like deep learning and transformers rely on huge matrix multiplications, which is why GPUs often dominate for high-throughput inference, while CPUs remain important where cost, availability, or simple deployment matter more than raw speed. GPU versus CPU inference matters because it directly affects latency, throughput, energy use, and hardware cost for every AI-powered product. GPU versus CPU inference.